Alright. Alright, so got a request for a meal that a kid can make, so basically I thought to myself, well, let's make it as easy as possible. So basically, I got here this pack of roast beef. Here's some nice vegetables. Got some plates, got a microwave. So I thought what would be simpler and safer, basically, you stick it on a plate and you put it in the microwave. Alright. So, for starters, the thing about this style of preparation is it is perfectly scalable to however many plates you're going to be doing. You can even do toast with this. Everybody can do toast. You can do, whatever. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm basically start dividing up the roasted beef. I would have done this a lot sooner, except I was kind of busy with a few problems around the house. I had fits. Hence the, relatively speaking, tremendous delay. Alright, now there we go. We got there. I suggest you know where it was, but your hygiene's mileage may vary for what you got going on. Alright. There we go. Hands off. There we go. The vegetables that are broken up. Some on this one. Some on this one. Some on that one. That one, that one, that one, that one, and then boom. Okay, now you set yourself up a nice little waiting line. Up in the microwave. Give your little tap. Now, I'm not going to say exact cooking time because every microwave is different. But suffice it to say, when it's your form of reasonably hot, it's good to go. So, yeah. Literally, anybody can do it. Easy meal. Now you can do toast with this as well. Considering everybody can do toast. I feel this from freaking vegetables a little bit. Vegetables like, yeah, I'm going to microwave quick enough for you. There we go. Got a nice spoon. Here. A little bit away from the center. Maybe a bit more to the middle. What I've learned, just need to do a little repositioning here. Now, so that way y'all know what I'm doing here. The way microwaves cook, it's most of the energy is around the edge of the plate with the least of the energy at the center. That's why I'm doing this little bit of repositioning here. There we go. So yeah, that's a little, now you know. The bulk of the heatings are on the edge of your plate. At least the heating's in the middle. That's from the freezer and that's from the fridge, hence I had to reposition. Alright. Let's see what this is doing. There we go. Boom, a nice hot meal. Alright, now to prove to you it's perfectly edible. Get a fork. We're going to try the roast beef. the very hot roast beef. I'll take a spoon. Other vegetables. Oh. And yeah. It's all good. You can salt and pepper your vegetables, season salt them, whatever you like on your vegetables. It's nice. Like a little low-cal meal there, as always. Now remember, every microwave heats at different speeds, so just when it's your ideal version of hot, that means it's ready to serve. Okay? So just make sure if your roast beef slices is out of the fridge, make sure it's at the center of your plate. Your vegetables is around the edge of it, that way the vegetables get some more heat. So thank you for watching, as always. Peace out, and you know the drill.